Hey everyone, today we are going to be doing a cash stuffing video. I'm so excited. I always love these videos. I love watching them, so I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to be starting with my wallet here. Actually, let's start with my coins. I only have a few coins today, and we're going to put these in my daughter's castle. We did go to Five Below the other day, and she was able to get a few little toys, a couple of things, with her $7. Okay, in groceries, we have 1, 2, 3. Dining Out has nothing, Gas has nothing, and Aria has 1. I'm gonna save this aside separately for her, and the $3 for something special. I don't know, we'll find out. I also had $1 that I found randomly in one of my dressers, so that was exciting. All right, we're going to, I forgot I need to stuff my wallet. Okay, so for groceries, we're gonna do 80. Gas is getting 25. Oh, this is out of order. Dining is getting 40. Let's go to 20s. And Aria is getting 10. Okay, so that's my wallet all stuffed and ready to go for the week. I think last week, if you watched my cash planning video, which I did right before this, where I planned all this out, I was saying I was a little discouraged because I felt like I was just pulling out all my money from these envelopes, but I also didn't give myself as much on groceries and dining out. So I'm trying to adjust the amounts and see what works. Oh no, that's correct. Okay, so car maintenance is getting 40. So we have this little tracker that we can fill out. That should be 40. And we started off with $500, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Okay, so car maintenance 40 because I know I have to get my oil changed soon. Entertainment is getting 25. I'd love to go see the new Wicked movie. That'd be fun. I'll do that maybe this weekend. We'll see. If you guys have seen it, don't spoil it for me. Furry Friends is going to get 10. And we don't have to color because this does not come off because I made a mistake and I used the wrong marker on these. So that has 10 now. Household is going to get a 10. Miscellaneous is going to get a 10. And that's all that has. Road trip is going to get a 20. So this has 2, 4, 6, 60 now. Self-care is going to get a 10. Okay, so we can fill out one more of these. All right, so that has 10. And style is getting a 10 as well. So we can color one of these. Let's do a dress. I think this dress, hot pink dress, would be nice. Okay, and that's it for this binder here. Moving on, I'm gonna grab, this has more like high priority stuff. I don't know why I didn't do this first, but oh well. Okay, so cell phone is getting 75, 50, 60, 75. So let's see where we're at with this. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130. Oh, did I count that right? Yeah, 130. Oh, good. That's awesome. Because I think my plan is 120 for 3 months. So we have a little extra in there. Okay, debt is going to get a 20, and we're not going to fill out any more cards right now. I need to just make some new ones of these and start over. Emergency is getting a 20 as well. And let's make this $20. I do have, oops, oh dear. I do have an emergency fund already started and it has a decent amount in there, but you never know what's going to happen. So I just want to keep saving up, putting more stuff in there. Okay, Merry Money is getting a 20. And so now it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 130, 140. So that's a decent amount that we have in there, which is nice. And I think I had made these 20. I think. Maybe not. I'll figure it out though. Okay, transportation. This is for my, what's it called? My car insurance, which is due in April, I think. So that has 10, 15. This is not super high on the priority list, but something that I know is coming up. Travel is going to get a 5. And let's just mark that this is a 5. I had to pull from this envelope the other when I was doing my unstuffing, but it's okay. Wellness is getting a 5. And that's all that that has. Back to school. I didn't have anything there. Back to school is getting a 5. And Beach Bay, we're skipping birthdays. Aria is getting a 5, and I'm getting a 5. So Aria is getting 5. So she has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's put her dollar that we saved from her envelope in here. So now she has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So she can have 3 little hats colored in. Oh, this one is really light. That doesn't really show up. Let me do this one instead. There we go. Okay, so she gets that, and I'm getting a 5. And I'll just leave that one balloon filled out. Okay. So moving on to the very low priority, we have college, which is getting a 10 for Aria. Not for me. I already graduated college, but for Aria. Craft is getting a 5. So we actually don't need to fill anything out because each one of these is for $10. So game, oh no, education we're skipping. Electronics we're skipping. Games is getting a 5. Hair we're skipping. Investing is getting a 5. And we're going to say that this is, yeah, so this is a 5. New car, we're skipping. New home is getting a 5. Let's say that each of these little houses is $5. And let's use, no, actually I want to use, let's use blue. That's one of my favorite colors. So that's a 5, and we're just going to color the little door right here. So cute. I love filling these out. It's just so fun, and they just feel so nice in my hands. I don't know, there's something so satisfying about it. Okay, rainy day is going to be getting a 5, and that's all we have in there. And then I guess this needs to go back to the bank. Our New Year's saving challenge, we scratched off a 10, so I have 2 5s here for that. I'm going to grab an envelope for that. Okay, so I grabbed an envelope. We're going to put these in here. I got these on Amazon. If you need extra, they are very affordable. Let's see if we can stuff this in here. Okay, I really need to get a new binder too, but I'm just trying to not buy anything I don't need. So, and I'm just going to leave this on the side and we will scratch this off next time we do our cash planning video. So we have $4. $1, $2, $3, $4 to add somewhere. I think we'll add it to rainy day. That's what we did last time, because you never know when you're going to need to have something saved for that rainy day. To buy a new book or something, or a cup of coffee. Okay, so that is it for this cash slipping video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me about what you have coming up for Thanksgiving next week, and I will see you guys in the next video.